So for the next exercise, have your fingers pointing forward, shoulder width apart. With your inner thigh, press it against your upper arm, but keep both hands on the floor. And then lean forward. Try and get your shoulders ahead of your wrists. So in this position, I'm not too worried about the position of the bottom leg, just somewhere where it's comfortable. Press your leg against your upper arm. Keep it pressing as you lean forward. Now for this, keep this arm, the one that hasn't got a leg contacting it, keep the shoulder blade of that arm protracted. So protract the shoulder blade, press the leg against the arm, bend the elbows. Keep the shoulder protracted, keep the leg pressing the arm, and then come up, relax. As you lean forward, the top leg can come off of the floor. So again, protract the shoulder blade, press the leg against the arm, bend forward. Notice I'm pressing the leg against the arm so the foot will lift and relax. So now what you're doing, instead of pressing the knee against the floor, you're pressing your inner thigh down against your arm in order